Hey everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Japanese chicken yakitori. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so what we're going to do is make our sauce component first. So just into a bowl, I'm going to start by adding in about 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. To this we'll add 1 heaped tablespoon of brown sugar, about half a cup of dark soy sauce. Next we'll add half a cup of mirin seasoning, about 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, about 3 crushed garlic cloves, about 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and finally about 1 teaspoon of salt. We don't want to add too much salt because of the soy sauce. So what we want to do now is just mix this together. Okay, so that's ready to go now. So guys, next we're going to get 1 kilo of chicken thigh fillets, and all we want to do is dice these up. So we just want to go small cubes like that, and just place it straight into a bowl. Now as you are cutting them, obviously check for bones. Alright, and all we're going to do now is add in about 3/4 of our sauce straight in. We're going to keep the rest because we're going to baste this while it's cooking. And we just want to give this a good mix and get it nice and combined. So now we'll just cover this with some cling wrap, place it straight into the fridge for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. We want to let all these flavors develop. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is actually skewer these and cook them. Now there's a couple of different ways you can do this. In my case, I'm just going to thread them on long, thin metal skewers like this, and cook these on my open fire. Now if you don't have that option available, you can put these on wooden bamboo skewers. If you're doing that, obviously soak the wooden skewers for about half an hour in water. This just stops it from burning. You can also get small metal skewers that are around, say 20-30 centimeters like that, and you can place those onto a grill, onto a frying pan, or whatever you like. Now before we skewer, give it another quick mix, just to make sure everything's well coated. And we'll begin by threading these all onto a skewer. Alright, so that's 1 skewer done there. So we just want to continue doing that with all of our chicken. Alright guys, so I've just got my grill on the medium heat. We're going to go ahead and place our skewer straight on. After about 30 seconds, we'll turn our skewers. And basically this seals one side to keep all that flavour in. After another 30 seconds, we'll flip it again. And basically all we're doing is flipping it every 30 seconds until it's cooked all the way through. What I've also got here is the extra bit of our sauce that we kept. We're going to baste this towards the end. If we do it now, it's going to burn. Alright guys, so we're at the 4-minute mark now. Now we need to bear in mind we are dealing with chicken, so it does need to be cooked all the way through. So you can't really judge it just by colour. What you want to check for is firmness. It should be nice and firm. If your finger goes all the way through, it's still raw. However, this one here does look like it's about 90% cooked. So what we're going to do at this point is just with a brush, we're going to baste on our sauce. After a couple of seconds we'll flip them so we can baste the other side too. Alright, that's nice and firm. so we're ready to serve. So all we're gonna do is push down from the top, and from the bottom push all the way off. Just like that. Alright, and that's all there is to it. Ready to be served up on its own, or with some rice, whatever you like. Now if you really want to make them even more saucy, what you can do is just boil the remainder of our sauce until it's thickened up. That's just up to you. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.